This is a video to help you find your way around Powtoons. So all you do is you type P-O-W, of course I've already got it in, but I'll keep going, T-O-O-N, and when you hit return, the first hit will be Powtoon, online business presentation software. Click that. And mine's already logged in, but if I log out, I'll show you what it looks like. I'll log out. So it asks you here whether you want to sign up for free. You start now. Well, basically sign up for free, and I will just sign up with your Google account because every student has a Google account. Of course, I'll choose my name here, you choose yours, and you'll be able to create a new studio project. I recommend just start with a blank one. So you hit create. There are already made templates, but I recommend you basically start with your own, and you can click create. And it'll come up from start from scratch, and you've got lots of different kinds and types, and I'm going to recommend you start from scratch, and of course you can build in other ones later once you're a little bit more familiar. You have this basically, Powtoons is basically a drawing software online, very similar to PowerPoint or Keynote, but really fancy. And what you can do with the free version, there's certain things you can't do, but of course this is all you need for this assignment. Just click edit down the bottom. They open up new tabs. Here's one tab and there's one tab, and this is the template or the dashboard that you'll be using. Just waiting for it to load. Loading awesomeness application. Very user friendly. So anybody can use this. Here it is. So this is the dashboard. You'll notice on the left side of your screen you have the slides. So just like Keynote, PowerPoint, you can just keep clicking. You notice I'm clicking here on the left and just add lots of different slides. Of course you can delete them. Delete, and there I have just one slide. Now on the right side of the screen, here where my mouse is, you have, I'll pull it back a bit, menu bar. So you can add any type of object that you like. Let's change the background. Let's have a classroom background, and so I'll have a classroom from the side, and it puts everything in there. The background is very engaging. Anything that's on the screen that's able to be clicked can also be moved, and so what we're going to do, remember your assignment is to create a Powtoon that displays the rules that you think are important for us to have in the playground, in the classroom, and also in the community. This will help other students understand the importance of following school rules. And so let me just give you a hint here at the top. You can click that, double click it, and type in school rules. Double click that, and this could say something like rules, cool rules, let's say, cool rules for school. Bit of a rhyme. Cool rules for school, just for an example. I might want to get rid of that, so you delete it. Okay, and then basically you can start adding all sorts of different things in. So you can add a text. The objects are really cool. Oh, oops, not that one. Library. Oops. Something here. Oh, switch mode. Okay. There we go. So you can just basically grab any character, drag the character across. Let's drag this teacher. There he appears. We can make him bigger or smaller. Alright, and we can flip him the other way, okay, depending on which way you want him, and move him around as well. Okay. And lots of other different features which you most welcome to, and you most likely will have a bit of a play with. So I would go ahead and get right in there. In the bottom bar here shows you the timeline. If you would wanted to bring this teacher here, then you can move this arrow across to perhaps start at 2 seconds. And you want him to come in with a hand, so you click the hand. There you go. And so that means when you press play, the teacher will come in to the screen with a hand. Watch. Very fancy. And so there's lots of neat things that you can put into your display and your slideshow. Lots of objects, speech bubbles, you name it, you can do it. It really is a matter of you giving it a go yourself and seeing what you can come up with. Don't forget, as you add each slide, there's also the ability to add a transition. So here is a really neat one that I like, the fan. And so if you were to take this all the way back, you grab that, take it all the way back, start at the screen and press play. He comes in with the hand. I haven't made anything else. He'll just stand there and wave for 2 more seconds, and then it spirals out and goes to the next slide. Again, this is fantastic and will be up to you to create the Powtoon according to the rubric that we've shared to you on Google Classroom. Now, don't forget to title this your own, Rules for School, for example, and when you press save, it will save on your Powtoons. And what I'd like for you to do is when you're finished that, copy the URL and place it into Google Classrooms as your student. So please do that, and that would be fantastic. I'm looking forward to seeing what you can come up with as you create your Powtoon. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing your awesome work.